Happy Friday, and welcome to KoiCast. It's Friday, September 26th, 2025, and we are definitely trying something spicy today.
Oh yeah, we're going full robot. This episode was made completely with AI. We're battle testing Microsoft Vibe Voice 7B. So if we sound a little too smooth or I start singing unprompted, blame the vibes.
I'm Hunter. If a vowel glitches, it's not me, it's the model.
And I'm Riley. If a sentence ends in jazz hands, also the model. Let's go.
Today's story. Meta just launched Vibes, an AI-native short video feed. Generate, remix, publish, all in one loop inside the Meta AI app and on the web.
Vibes is basically ideas to eyeballs without leaving the house. You can prompt a clip, transform your own footage, or remix stuff in the feed, and then one-tap it to Vibes, Stories, and Reels. No exporting gymnastics.
That collapse from generate to go live is the product, and honestly, for creators, time to signal is everything.
Quick context check. Meta's been warming this up since June with those AI video edits, outfit swaps, lighting changes, location transforms. This is the glow-up where creation and distribution finally live on the same canvas.
Plus, they've been on a company-wide AI sprint. Reorgs, new labs, all that energy. Vibes is the consumer-facing piece you can actually touch.
All right, who is this for? Solo creators who want speed, brand teams who need volume, and anyone who's tired of bouncing from Runway or Pika to CapCut to Instagram, praying the export doesn't crush the crisp.
And ops folks, if you're trying to scale short-form across channels, an in-feed editor with native remix and one-tap cross-post cuts the tool chain in half.
Hold up, the remix thing is huge. Remix is the default mechanic here. That means trend chains with attribution baked in. It's duet energy without the duct tape.
Which also means faster A and B testing. Try 5 prompts, publish 5 micro-variations, let the feed sort winners from maybes, less polishing one idea to death.
Creators, this is the throw 5 darts, not one pretty dart moment.
Competitive angle. TikTok still owns culture. YouTube Shorts owns library plus monetization rails. But neither is shipping AI-first creation in-feed like this. Most AI tools generate and then shove you back into social. Vibes stitches the loop closed.
And you know Meta loves a closed loop. If I can create, iterate, and get reach without leaving, I'm spending more time in their house. That should make the other platforms nervous.
Also nervous, standalone AI video apps. If the average creator can do good enough generation and publish instantly, you're only keeping the pros who need high control or longer formats.
Let's talk workflow impact. This speeds up production and reduces costs. You skip the export-import ping-pong, and you get instant audience feedback inside the same feed that made the clip.
Worry. Right, for a social team, this can replace 2 or 3 steps. Jump. You go from prompt to scene to light edit to publish to cross-post without touching 5 apps. That's minutes instead of hours.
And discoverability matters. Vibe says the feed personalizes to what you watch. And remix. Translation, you can get reach beyond your follower graph if your take hits.
The flip side, volume spikes. If it's too easy, the feed can drown. TechCrunch already called it AI slop. The ranking system has to reward originality and execution, not just button mashing.
Facts. If it becomes a remix Ouroboros, audiences bounce. But if the algo rewards fresh spins and clean craft, we get new meme formats daily. I'm not mad at that.
Availability. It's in the Meta AI app and on the web, rolling out by region. You can publish to Vibes, share by DM, and cross-post to Instagram and Facebook Stories and Reels.
Pricing? Not clear yet, but Meta usually starts with wide access. Expect caps or guardrails before real paywalls. Brands assume usage policies and watermark behaviors may evolve.
Guardrails make me think IP. If remix is default, who owns what? They're saying attribution is native, which helps, but brands will want clarity on commercial remixes and campaign safety.
Yeah, marketers, set your guardrails day one. Approved styles, brand-safe prompt lists, and a human review step before you repost to your main channels. AI can start, enhance, or finish, but make the human say ship it.
Real scenarios. TikToker wants to jump on a trend. You pull a Vibes template, prompt your twist, cross-cut segments from the original with your reactions, publish to Vibes, and one tap to Reels. 10-minute turnaround.
Podcasters, chop a quote into a stylized AI scene with subtitles. Remix the top comment from your community as a stitched follow-up, and keep the loop going. The feed loves serialized riffs.
Brand marketer launching a seasonal drop. Generate 3 concepts with different styles, run micro posts to the Vibes feed, watch which one gets early traction, then scale the winner to Reels with paid. That's prompt testing as market research.
Filmmakers, hear me out. You're not replacing your DP. You're spinning mood boards and pre-visualization at feed speed, testing looks in public, then pulling the best references into real shoots.
Inside Koi, I'd wire a mini automation. ideas list to prompt variants to first pass scenes. Human picks 2, adds a talking head reaction, and pushes to vibes and reels. N8N handles naming, asset tagging, and sends the performance back to a dashboard.
Plus a remix play. Encourage the community to stitch the same prompt with their spin, then recap the best takes at the end of the week. That's co-creation in the feed, not just in a Discord.
And a brand-safe version is just a protected template library. Teams select approved vibes, no pun intended, and the system enforces color, font, and tone. You still get speed without chaos.
Meme check. If I had to caption this launch, Mom said we have TikTok at home. But the twist is, TikTok at home has a prompt box.
Benchmarks and quality. We don't have rendering quality charts yet, but the value is less about perfect film grain and more about iteration velocity. If it hits good enough to scroll stop, the loop wins.
Agree. Motion realism is cool, but if I can go idea to proof to publish in 5 minutes, I'll eat more shots on goal. The feed will find my winners while I sleep.
Risks. Watermarks could affect reposts off-platform. Export limits or token caps would hit volume. And the biggest risk is creative sameness if everyone taps the same preset.
That's where taste still matters. Use presets as scaffolding, not the house. Shoot a quick human moment, layer the AI scene as texture, and bring your voice. The human spark still separates.
How does this stack up against the category? Runway and Pika are still better for precision and filmic control. CapCut still slaps for manual polish. YouTube Shorts has the deepest monetization pipeline. Vibes Edge is the integrated loop plus remix native growth.
Exactly. If you want perfection, you'll leave the house. If you want fast feedback and compounding distribution inside Meta's graph, you stay where the audience and the editor live together.
So is this a minor feature or workflow changing? For trend-led teams, it's a shift. You can run daily experiments without babysitting exports. For cinematic projects, it's a prototyping lane, not a finish line.
And for creators on the come-up, this is your permission slip to post more. Let the feed tell you what to double down on instead of overthinking in your camera roll.
Quick playbook before we land it. 1. Define your prompt sandbox, 3 styles you'll iterate weekly. 2. Publish multiple micro-variations and track early watch and remix signals. 3. Remix others with your unique angle to join chains that already have momentum.
4. Set a human checkpoint for brand safety and story clarity. 5. Archive hits into templates you can reuse. 6. Have fun. If it's not fun, it reads like homework on the For You page.
Final take. Vibes is Meta saying the future of short video is AI native and social native at the same time. If discovery rewards originality, not just volume, this could shift where and how short form starts.
And if it doesn't, we will drown in beige goo. I'm choosing chaos but with taste. Try it, test fast, keep your voice in the loop.
That's the show. If you want the latest AI tools and workflow guides, hit koei.com/resources.
Subscribe, tell a friend, remix this in Vibes if you're feeling brave, and tag us so we can see your spin.
Thanks for hanging out with us on KoeiCast. Catch you next time.